nightmare was that?
It was not a nightmare, young war chief, but a vision. Follow me, and I will reveal what your future holds.
I don't know what this is all about, but I'll play along. Lokrigar Nokan. Dabu. Yes.
Skillfully done. Very good. The path to the next banner leads through a black area. This black area Notice how the black area shrinks as Thrall moves through it. This reflects areas you have explored. Select Thrall and order him to move to the banner in the middle of the encampment.
Yes. Loktar, my warriors.
We are yours to command, War Chief.
Prepare yourselves. I sense a knoll ahead. Your
To order
time
Thrall's
has
forces
come.
to defeat this foul creature, select all of your troops, click on the
For
attack
honor.
button, and then click on the knoll.
This was only a scout, but the knoll's camp lies just ahead.
Order your troops to perform an aggressive attack move into the enemy encampment. To do this, select all of your troops, click the attack button, and then left-click on the ground in the middle of the knoll camp.
For Doomhammer!
Good job. Notice that Thrall gained a level from the experience that he earned in combat. Only heroes can acquire experience, allowing them to become whenever you click on the hero.
Your time has come. Yes. Dabu. Yes. For honor.
War Chief, we've discovered a group of Murloc raiders in the nearby river.
The Murlocs would make excellent targets for your new Chain Lightning spell. To have Thrall use his new ability, click on the Chain Lightning button and then left-click. Some monsters drop treasure when they are doing this particular treasure chest contained a useful potion of mana. Notice that the potion now occupies one of Thrall's inventory slots near the bottom middle of your screen. Potions of mana can be used to replenish a hero's mana, the magic energies that allow the casting of spells such as Chain Lightning.
For honor. Dabu. Dabu. Yes. Dabu. Yes. For honor.
The wolf howl signifies that night has begun.
Be wary, my warriors. Don't let nightfall dull your senses. Dabu. For honor. Dabu. Yes. Loknarosh. Dabu. Yes. Dabu. Yes. For honor. An ogre. We'd have a fierce battle on our hands if the beast weren't sleeping. Dabu. For honor.
Thrall is currently low on mana. Use the potion of mana to refresh Thrall.
Yes.
Provide him with sufficient-
Dabu. Yes. For honor. Yes. For honor. Yes. Yes. For honor. Dabu. A golem. Watch yourselves, my brethren. Those creatures do not sleep at night. For honor. Yes. None will survive. those trolls. I still can't believe they were ever a part of the Horde. For honor. Dabu. For Doomhammer! Your time has come. Look, Narosh! Your time has come. None will survive.
Very good. That treasure chest held a magic tome that can be used to give Thrall a permanent benefit.
Lobrigar. The spirits are restless. For honor. Yes. For honor. Yes. For Doomhammer!
Greetings, son of Duratan. I knew you'd find your way.
It was you I saw in the vision. Who are you? How do you know me?
I know many things, young Warchief, about you and your people. My identity at this time is unimportant. What is important is that you rally your people and leave these shores immediately.
Leave? What's this all about, human?
Human? I left my humanity behind long ago. I am something different now. Know that I have seen the future and beheld the great burning shadow that is coming to consume this world. You sense it as well, don't you?
The demons are returning.
Yes, and only by leading your people across the sea to the distant lands of Kalimdor will you have a chance to stand against them.
But how can we...
I will answer all of your questions in time, young Warchief. For now, rally your warriors and prepare to leave this land. We will speak again.
None of this makes sense. But the spirits tell me that I should trust him.